Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Midwest Invest. How's it going? Hope you're enjoying all these videos we're making. Today we are driving up to that house, the $25,000 house. I gotta do a pressure check on the gas line that I installed in the last video. I'm gonna go up there, do a pressure check on that gas line, make sure it's holding pressure, make sure it's good to go. Got the air tank in the back of the truck for that. And then we are going to be showing a guy a house down the street from there, an investor that I met the other day that he's interested in buying a house, so he wants me to show him a foreclosure, a little cheap foreclosure for, I think it's listed for about $30,000. That's not far from the house that I bought. So we'll go over there, do that pressure check on that one, and then I'll probably bring you guys along for that showing over at that other investment house so you guys can see that. Like I said, I think it's like a $30,000 house, and it's literally just a couple blocks away from my other house. So we're gonna head up there to KCK. I'm just leaving my house. It's a Monday morning, and we're gonna head up that way and see what we can get done today. All right, guys, we'll be back. All right, guys, here we are at this KCK house. As you can see, this $25,000 flip we're doing, and we are testing this gas line out. So this is the gauge on here, and air bubble here, so we're putting some air in this gas line and seeing if it'll hold pressure. I just pumped it up. We're at about 13 psi, 13, 14. Seems to be holding it, but it's slowly leaking out, so there might be a little leak down there. I have some leak tester liquid that I'm going to go down there and put over all the joints and see if it bubbles up. If it bubbles up, that means there's a little leak there. So I got this pressured up now. I'm gonna go underneath the house and put some of that on there, test for leaks, and see where we are, and I'll come back up and check this pressure in about 5 minutes, see if we are at the same spot or not. I put this stuff all over all this. On this fitting, we're good to go. It's not leaking. There's no bubbling up going on here, so that's good. But over here we do have a little bit of bubbling up going on right there. Get a little closer for you. You can see those bubbles right there. That means there is a slight leak coming from right there. So I'm just gonna undo that fitting, retighten it up on there, and see if we can stop that from leaking right there. And then I'll run back up, throw some more pressure in it, and come back and test it again. Hey guys, what's up? I was just down in the crawl space. I tightened that fitting up that was leaking a little bit, so I pumped it back up with air. Doesn't seem to be moving at the moment, but I'm gonna go back down there, cover it back up with some more of that stuff, and see if we got any more leaks. Right now seems to be holding pressure just fine, right at 14.5 and not moving, so looks good. I'm gonna go test it down there, make sure there's no small leaks, and then come back up and look at this again. All right, guys, so it's getting dark on us. Here we are testing this deal here. You can look, we're, if you can barely see the light, we're at about 10 psi. So I did set it at like 10.5, 11, in between there. So it did go down a little bit after 10 minutes. I don't know if that would pass or not, if it moves at all. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow and test some more stuff, make sure there's just no leaks at all, because there must be some kind of very, very small leak going on. So you know, I'd rather be safe than sorry. Like I said, it's barely moving, but you know, it's better to be safe than sorry when it comes to a gas line. You don't want that to be leaking. So I'm gonna make sure that's good to go and test it all again tomorrow, and we'll get you an update tomorrow. But we should be able to get it all sealed up and hold that pressure tomorrow, and then we'll get the inspector over here. Hopefully by the end of the week, we'll have the inspector over here to check out the gas line. So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. I'm back over here at this house in KCK. We were doing this pressure line test yesterday. We had that little leak that we just couldn't get fixed, so I'm gonna go down there right now. I'm gonna cut off a little bit of that pipe, reconnect the fittings, and just get that one leak fixed, and then we'll call it a wrap on this gas line. All right, I'll be right back. All right, guys, so after about an hour of pain in the butt adjusting pipes and cutting back pipes and redoing fittings. I think I finally got the pressure perfect where it's not leaking at all. Got it at 10 psi and left it for about 15 minutes, and didn't move at all this time. Instead of slowly creeping out, I was creeping out at about half a psi for every like 5-8 minutes or so. So after about 15 minutes, it was down like about a psi or so, which isn't a ton, but still can't have it moving. So I think we finally got it wrapped up, finally got her all sealed up, good to go, man. All right, guys, so got that gas line done just in time. It is now starting to like sprinkle rain out, and it's like 35 degrees, so don't really want to be outside anyways. So glad I got that done. I gotta go run some other errands around town. See you guys in the next one. Thanks.